snow day, so I don't have work today. I work as a substitute teacher while I'm in graduate school, so I'm actually going to do some things for YouTube channels. I've had comments. I want to get to know the people who watch my videos, so I would love if you guys could comment. I'm going to do some productive things in this vlog to get ready for the next semester that starts in a couple of weeks. And I also have some like crocheting things that I want to get done, and I'll try to film it. I have some really cute things. I want to like turn my Pinterest feed into an outfit, and I want to try to make it because money is tight, because if your girl's in grad school. So it's currently 5:43 in the morning. I'm gonna drink my pre-workout and I'm going to go down to the gym before starting my day officially. All right, update, it's 9 o'clock. I pretty much finished this granny square sweater. All I have left to do is work on the ribbing on the bottom, and then this granny square sweater will be done. But I'm not loving it. For some reason, I must have seen like a Pinterest sweater that looked like this, that had cats on it. Because whenever I see this, I think about putting cats on it. I don't want to put a cat on it. I love cats, but I don't know if I love cats enough to wear cats. I thought it would be cute if I could like put some clouds on it. I think like if I made it look like a sky, like I was the sky, maybe that would be really cute. I don't know. Also, because it's a snow day, I only got dressed halfway. I'm wearing these pants I got for Christmas and a Christmas t-shirt, even though it's January. I'm hungry. It's much later in the day, and I really need to start planning how I'm going to do scheduling for the semester coming up. I'm studying to become a school psychologist, which I'm excited about. Like, it's the 17th, so I have literally 7 days before classes start again. So I just want to like come up with some ideas as to like how I can get through the semester without exploding. So I'm on good notes. I'm just gonna type up some notes. I'm about to watch a Riayn Christina video and make dinner. It is 4:08.